Dr. Deuk here, and I'm with one of my patients who just yesterday, less than 24 hours ago, was having the Deuk laser disc repair for 3 discs in his lower back. And one of them was degenerated really bad, but we still got it done. The other 2 were herniated. And how do you feel today?
Excellent. No painkillers, no muscle relaxers. Did a walk about 4:30 this morning. 10 and 20. Excellent. I'm proud.
No back pain?
No back pain.
No leg pain?
No leg pain.
Amazing. So you came to us, you had back pain for a long time. How long did you have the back pain for when you came to us yesterday?
Since the 80s.
Since the 80s. So back pain since the 80s. He had the Deuk laser disc repair yesterday. We did 2 little cuts that big on your back and fixed the disc with the laser. And the pain is still there?
Well, no.
Gone.
Gone.
Cured.
Cured.
Awesome. And already at 4:30 in the morning, you couldn't wait to get out and try your new body, right? It's like if you buy a new car, you want to get out and drive it.
Go out there and polish the wheels.
There you go. All right, anything you want to tell people?
You can. The best thing, we got a back pain, see Dr. Deuk.
I appreciate that. What are you going to do now that your back pain is gone? You're going to do new things?
Yeah, relax and take it easy.
Right.
No bending.
No bending, but
you're playing golf.
Not yet, but you will be able to once your back is all healed up. All right, good. He's a good patient. He's following instructions. All right, sir. Congratulations.
Thank
good
you,
luck
Dr.
to you.
Deuk.
My pleasure.